Good morning, my little ones. I hope you all are good and safe at your places and also doing your work properly. So, as you all are aware with the that we have sent you the checking for checking schedule that notebooks. So, you all have to send your notebooks only. Okay, not books. Books हम नहीं collect कर रहे हैं. You just have to send only notebooks and that we will be checking, and from 23rd we will be starting the rechecking of the notebooks. So yes, let's move to the topic now. As you all know, in the previous session we had completed with the lesson number 15, that is we play. In that chapter we read about games, many players play each game, and what types of games, outdoor games, indoor games. So we learned a lot about the games, and also I hope you all enjoyed at your home with playing games also. So yes, and I sent you the worksheet also to do. I hope you all have done that. Many of you sent me the solution of that worksheet, but you all have to send me and do it properly and paste in your notebooks. So yes, now as you all know, our 15th chapter is completed, and today we are starting with the chapter number 16. Okay, and its answer checking we will be doing in the live session. Okay, worksheet cross check we'll be doing in the live session on Monday. So today we are starting with a new chapter, and we are starting with the chapter number 16, and it is all about festival, celebrating festivals. So अभी हमने celebrate किए हैं festivals, so हमको पता भी है recently कि हमने किस तरह से celebrate किए हैं, right? So today we will learn about festivals. Okay, so yes, chapter number 16 we are starting celebrating festivals. Celebrating spelling CELEBRATING, celebrating festivals, FESTIVALS, festivals. So celebrating festivals, that how we celebrate this festival, and how many types of festivals are there, कौन कौन से festivals हैं जो हम celebrate करते हैं, किस तरह से celebrate करते हैं, that we will learn in this chapter. सो अभी जैसे दिवाली का फेस्टिवल गया है, दिवाली फेस्टिवल पे हम लक्ष्मी माता की पूजा करते हैं, राइट? सो यस, वी विजिट प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप्स एंड ऑल्सो वी प्रे and we buy sweets, we just give the sweets to relatives, and we wear new clothes. So we do very much fun on the festivals, right? Festivals आते हैं तो सबके faces smile कर रहे होते हैं that yes, this is the time to enjoy, right? So yes, we are starting this chapter, and so let's start reading. Open page number 92, everyone, of your book. Festivals are a time of celebration. इसमें हम बिल्कुल टेंशन फ्री होते हैं, we just enjoy the celebration, and they bring joy and happiness. We share this joy and happiness with our family and friends. हम किसके साथ celebrate करते हैं ये festivals? With our family and friends. We visit our friends and relatives and exchange gifts. हम अपने फ्रेंड्स के घर जाते हैं, रिलेटिव्स के घर जाते हैं, एक दूसरे को गिफ्ट देते हैं एंड खूब इंजॉय करते हैं. We wear new clothes, हम न्यू क्लॉथ्स भी पहनते हैं. Buy sweets and cook special dishes. घर पे मम्मा स्पेशल डिशेस बनाते हैं, कुछ अच्छा बनाते हैं ना खाने को रेगुलर डे से. So yes, we wear new clothes, buy sweets and cook special dishes. We also visit places of worship and pray. So different festivals पे हम different जगह पर जाते हैं to pray, and we already know how festivals like. So किस तरह के festivals होते हैं, like दिवाली अभी जैसे गया हमारा, right? दिवाली, and अभी क्रिसमस आने वाला है 25th of December, क्रिसमस डे. ओके, और हम किस में मस्ती करते हैं? फेस्टिवल ऑफ होली. So Diwali, Christmas, Holi, Eid, Gurpurab. There are lots of festivals are there. Gurupurab, रक्षाबंधन, रक्षाबंधन पे भी हम एंजॉय करते हैं. अभी भाई दूज था, भाई दूज पे हम क्या करते हैं, ब्रदर्स के लिए प्रे करते हैं. भाई दूज, ठीक है. इस तरह से बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं. ओनम एंड दशहरा, एंड मकर संक्रांति. So there are lots of festivals there. These are the festivals which we celebrate with our family and friends. And there are some national festivals also, like Republic Day, Independence Day. So we will be learning about these things. This. So now first is number 92. And on that page some pictures are given to us and we have to write the name of the festival. उस picture को देखकर हमें name लिखना है festival का. So everyone open your book and start writing with me. Okay, so the first picture you can see rangoli is made and diyas are lightning and are there. कौन सा फेस्टिवल होता है, फेस्टिवल दैट इज दिवाली. सो फर्स्ट पिक्चर के अंडर आप लिखेंगे दिवाली. दिस इज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ, दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ दिवाली फेस्टिवल. ओके, दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ दिवाली फेस्टिवल. Now next picture you can see colors and children are playing with each other. Which festival is full of colors? Festival of Holi. Festival of Holi. So second picture is of Holi festival. Holi, Holi. We enjoy with our friends and family and we play with the colors. So we enjoyed a lot on that festival. Okay, the next is girl is tying Rakhi on her brother hand. So which festival is that? That is Raksha Bandhan. So third picture is of Raksha Bandhan. Okay, next is so these are the festivals जो almost सभी मनाते हैं. It can be any Muslim, Sikh, Isai. है चाहे नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट ईद. ईद पे क्या होता है, सब एक दूसरे को गले मिलते हैं, गिफ्ट्स देते हैं. सो दिस इज अ फेस्टिवल जो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं मोस्टली मुसलमान. ओके, सो दिस इज फेस्टिवल ऑफ ईद. एंड देन next picture you can see Santa Claus, and that festival is, yes, Christmas. It is celebrate mainly by the Christians, but yeah, we are also celebrating this festival. Now the next picture you can see they are making rangoli and there is a competition of boat competition. हमारे एरिया में कम सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है, बट इन इट इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर. दिस फेस्टिवल वेरी पॉपुलर एंड ये सेलिब्रेट में इस देयर इज अ बोट रेस, रंगोली. यस, दिस फेस्टिवल नेम इज ओनम. इस फेस्टिवल का नेम होता है ओनम, ONAM, ओनम. ओके, Now the next is you can see the picture of statue of Ravan, and which festival is that? That festival is, yes, festival is Dashera. So write here Dussehra, Dashera. Then next is yes, five people are standing here in the turban, and yes, those people are belong to the Sikh religion, and they celebrate festival Guru Purab. This is the festival of Guru Purab. Okay, in the last picture you can see the peoples are taking bath in the river. This is the festival of Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti. So yes, these are the some festivals which we celebrate with our family and friends. We buy clothes, we wear new clothes, we buy sweets, different types of special dishes with our friends, and we enjoy with our family, relatives. We exchange the gifts with family and friends. So this was a very general introduction and general topic today we choose, and this is about the festivals. Now your work is to find out about these festivals, and you will write two lines about each festival. You have to write 2 lines. Okay, then in the next session I will be explaining very deeply about this. And yes, so on your notebook, EVS notebook, you will be writing two lines about each festival. हर एक फेस्टिवल के बारे में not 2 lines, only 1 line is enough. One line is enough. You have to write 1 line about each festival, and you have to explain that how we celebrate this. Okay, so yes, I hope you all will do notebook in good handwriting. Enjoy this chapter totally on the festivals. And yes, also I will be telling you about the school functions. जो स्कूल में functions करते हैं उस पर कौन कौन से festivals होते हैं. So yes students, that is all for today. We will meet in the live session now. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.